Okay, here's the third video. Ram 2500 2015 should work for 2014 to 2016, but we've already replaced both of our fuel filters, both the front and the rear. We're out right around $110, $120, but it's still a lot cheaper than going to the dealership and doing it. But it won't recognize that the fuel filters have been replaced. So I just want to turn it to the on, not to the start, and it'll come up on here and it will say replace fuel filters because it doesn't realize that we've already done it. So what I want to do is using these toggle buttons right here, normally just so it looks the same as normally I'd be in the speedometer function. So what I would do is I'd come over and back out of the one that I'm in and bring me to this list, and I toggle up or down using the other buttons to go to vehicle info and then go over. Now mine's already on fuel filter because I'd already toggled there once already, but if you look through it, there's lots of different things that it might be on already. So usually it's this one first, so don't get frustrated if you don't see the same thing as what I saw. You just toggle through until you get to fuel filter life, and what we want is this to say 99% or 100% so that we get credit for the fact that we've already done it. So what we need to do is we need to hold down the over button right there, and it'll come up with confirm reset. Go down to confirm and hit over again, and hopefully it works, but it didn't that time. So I'm going to go over again, hold it down, and then hit 3 times in a row, and now it says that it's 100% ready. So all I did was, if it doesn't work the first way, then when you hold over to get it to say confirm yes, hit this button, the over button, 3 times really fast, and then it should show 100% on that change filter. And so now we're good to go. So if I take the key out, put it back in, turn it to the on, if we were back in the regular scenario, it would have already came up with, you know, a message box that you have a message, and it would say change fuel filters. But now we're good. Just really quick, if you want to, you can use these buttons to exit out, and you can go down and you can see kind of what the status is on all of your stuff. So you can see, okay, I'm 100% good on my fuel filter. What about my oil life? Well, I'm 69% due before I need to change my oil. And then there's just a couple more things in here that you can get more detailed information, like your tire pressure, how many hours, what your current gauges are, where if you don't have it showing all of your gauges, you can use that, especially if you're towing or something. Your turbo boost, exhaust brake, and battery voltage. But there's lots of good stuff in here that you can play around with. Hopefully this helps. Again, there's a lot of people that when you try and reset it the first time, it tells you to screw off and it won't let you. So remember that, pushing the button 3 times right after it comes up with confirm yes, and you should be good to go. Hopefully that works for you. Thanks for watching.